Welcome back to Buzz TV. This morning on Ask the Lawyer section, we have Shannon Day with the law offices of John Phillips. Good morning.
Morning.
So, welcome to the set. I appreciate you taking time to be with us here this morning. We were talking a little bit before we got on. So tell us a little bit about your firm.
So I work for the law office of John Phillips, and our firm does family law, criminal law, and personal injury. And I do most of my work with the criminal section. Yeah.
So fair enough. Everybody has a right to a trial, right?
Yes.
So I might need your card sometime because people never know what I'm going to say, and that's cool. So you are not originally from Florida. You're from somewhere else. Let's we talked a little bit about that. So
Yeah.
where are you from?
I grew up in Massachusetts, just south of Boston, and then I went and did my undergrad in Virginia and moved to Jacksonville after.
So you're here in the Sunshine State.
Yes.
And how do you like the fact that it's currently the I'm on fire state?
It's rough, but it's better than the blizzards.
Fair. It's a little weird. So
yeah.
for people that don't tune in, that tune in the show that are not from the area, where you're currently having that, obviously the wildfire, and it seems like half the universe is on fire and there's nothing but smoke everywhere. Kind of interesting when ash is falling out of the sky when it's 100 degrees.
Right.
There's no volcanoes. So you're a lawyer, and so you've been practicing for a few years, and you focus on criminal defense.
Yes.
So tell us a little bit about, when people get into trouble, on the Ask the Lawyer, so we're going to ask a lawyer, what is it that, I get in trouble and something happens, I don't know, something that's maybe commonplace like a DUI. So what am I to do or what am I not to do before I call you?
Definitely don't tell the cop if you did drink anything. Probably not a good idea to tell them you're just ripping shots at Pier or any other bar. There's a big debate as to whether you should or shouldn't blow, because if you refuse, that's an automatic license suspension. A lot of people don't know that. But if you don't believe that you're under the influence, if you do blow, that could benefit you if it proves that you were under the limit.
Gotcha. So pretty much don't do anything and call you.
Yes.
Is basically what
Yes.
you need to do, which I do very well at. A lot of the folks off set, they always laugh about, I'm 2 steps away from them pinning my lunch money on my shirt and my address on the other shirt just so that I can find my way home. Big deal for me is people doing stuff for the community. And so we were talking a little bit earlier that you guys are really philanthropically inclined. What is some really cool stuff that you guys do in the community to give back?
Well, John plans a lot of fun things for us. We have a big Toys for Tots fundraiser every year around Christmas. We have a bunch of fake snow brought in, build a snow slide, have Santa come. We also have a float in almost all the parades in Jacksonville, so we get to go do that, and that's a lot of fun. In addition to various like turkey fundraisers at Thanksgiving and stuff like that.
What kind of float?
It's a very, very large boombox.
Very large. So, can I drive it?
Yes.
Did you drive it?
I don't think I'm allowed to.
Who drives it? Somebody has to drive this thing.
Someone drives it,
Okay.
but
I still want to drive that.
I could probably hook you up.
Perfect. That'll work. So, if somebody wants to get a hold of you, or somebody needs to call the firm, or something goes sideways, what's the best way for them to reach you?
You can reach us through our website, which is floridajustice.com, or you can always call. The number is 904-444-4444.
So, 4s just keep hitting 4
Yes.
until somebody picks up.
Lucky Force.
Lucky 4s. Okay, good. So, thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
Absolutely. Guys, thanks so much for joining us on Buzz TV. If you like us, share us, and remember, live with gratitude.